Others have tried to copy it, but in the end, there's only one Toyotathon. Save thousands with 0 APR for 60 months on a new 2011 Corolla. The biggest and best sales event of the year is going on now. Hurry to Toyotathon today.
Live from San Diego's news source, this is a 10 News Update.
Oh, it's a hot one out there. The Santa Ana winds have been picking up all day, and our forecaster is live in the field tracking the latest conditions at the 10 News Experience.
The wind is strong and the heat is on, but people are still keeping cool here at the beach. As we look at the map, those are long, mean, more hot and windy conditions. The forecast shows temps staying above 90 degrees. Back to you in the cool studio.
Thanks, and hey, great job out there. Remember, you can check weather conditions in your own neighborhood by going to 10news.com and clicking on the Pinpoint Interactive button. We'll be right back.